Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I have the March Weekender Life Crafted Kit and add-on stamps to share with you. So I'm going to open all this up and then show you what's inside. So first of all, I wanted to show you the new packaging for the Life Crafted Kit. It is this awesome envelope, this plastic envelope. Excuse the dog hair. There is always dog hair everywhere in my house. Yours will not come with dog hair, but this is a little snap pocket envelope that the Life Crafted Kit now comes in. It is super cool. It's super versatile for using to store things later on. I can't wait to get a little collection of these to use in my craft room. I really like this new packaging, so very cool. Just wanted to share that with you. If you got last month's kit, you may have already gotten one of these, but this is my first one since I get my kits a little bit earlier. So yes, very cool. Wanted to share that with you. Okay, so here is the Weekender Life Crafted Kit. I have not looked at any of this. Oh, let me scoot it down a little bit. I haven't looked at any of this yet, so I'm super excited to dive in. I can tell you there are already some things here that have me very excited about this kit. So here's the little card. It says Weekender. The weekend is always a good idea. Of course, Citrus Swiss kits on the back. Let's start with the 3x4 cards. So here is the first one, Feeling Moody. And on the other side, it says Brilliant Idea. This one has a little floral and says Made My Day. Oh, and look at this rainbow of happy. And yes, rainbows make me happy too. A stripe. Oh, and then the other side has a little teal and blue heart. It's basically the best part of the week. And then a polka dot on the back. I love these little shops. These are super cute. A little downtown area. And then the other side is a tone-on-tone print of those same little shops. Oh, I love that. It's just a phase. Weekends are for scheming, doing, chilling. Let us be on our way. And then love this. Today, surrounded by happiness. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this is all right. Today, and well, aren't you just a ray of sunshine? I say that a lot around here. Okay, so those are the 3x4 cards. There are also 2 4x6 cards. So here's the first one. It says, This is how we do it, and it's the days of the week at the top. And the other side is a yellow floral print. And then this one with the gorgeous rainbow stripes. Oh my goodness. I love that so much. But I also love this side. It says Weekend, Fun Times. Very cool. Love that too. Okay, so those are the cards. As always, we get a little sheet of labels that are coordinated with the colors in this kit. I always get tons of use out of those. There is the bookmark, the 3x8 card. And look, it says coffee in hand, sparkle in my eyes, smile on my face. Yep, it's Friday. Love that so, so much. And in case you weren't aware, if you have purchased these new little strips for adding things into your Life Crafted album, look, they work perfectly with the bookmark. So you don't have to actually punch holes in this if you don't want to, if you want to add it into your album, but don't want to have to punch holes on the side and take up some of the space, you can use one of those to add it. So very cool. Oh, and the other side, gorgeous pink hearts. Love that. Okay, now let's take a look at the papers. I'm going to set these to the side a little bit so we can get a closer look at the papers. So there is this gorgeous kind of muted floral print. It looks very vintagey to me. I love it. I love it. Here is another stripe in blue and yellow and pink and kind of an orangey red. A tone-on-tone teal print. More of that gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow happy. Love this so much. More of the same yellow floral print that was on the back of the 4x6 card. And this is a stripe. It looks black and white to me. It's very hard to see, but yeah, it's probably making the camera go wonky, but very cool, just really small stripe in the diagonal. More of that gorgeous pink tone-on-tone print with the little shops. This is really pretty too. It's a teal background with yellow and kind of pinky, orangey little daisies on it. a tone-on-tone yellow print. More of that beautiful stripy stripe, the rainbow. Love that. Ugh. Oh my goodness. This one too, it has that very vintagey floral feel in tones of pink. That is gorgeous. And then a grid paper that's kind of an off-white. It's kind of, it's not a white background, but it has a kind of a green tint to it, and then the green grid over the top. Super versatile. Love grid pages. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one on top because that's just too pretty. Okay, so those are the papers and the cards and the labels. Now let's take a look at all of these gorgeous embellishments. I don't even know what I said. Embellishments. Okay, it's very early right now. Okay, so here is the stamp set that comes with the kit. This is the Weekender stamp set. I'm just going to read off what it says in case you can't read it. So it says, so much to do. Life is especially good on a Friday. Just this. Happy time. Cheers to mornings without an alarm. Yes, yes. Coffee in hand. Feeling carefree. Time to play. At home. Escape. Adventure. Time to shop. I want to have a weekend adventure, but I kind of want to have it in my pajamas. That is me every weekend. Hello weekend, and then weekend, and let's run away. Very cute. I like that one a lot. Okay, and then there is the ephemera pack, and you can see it's so full I can't even get it down to below the title. Here is what's inside, and oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. So look at these tickets. You know I love tickets, like seriously love tickets, so can't wait to use those. They're just perfect for tucking in behind things and adding layers without it creating lots of bulk and without it taking lots of space. Love tickets. There are also these tabs, also love those for tucking into my layers. There are some circles, there are little phrases and labels, and it's perfect. It's perfect. And look at these daisies. Okay. And the colors are just so gorgeous in this kit. Okay, moving on. Chipboard, of course. This is a new configuration of chipboard. I don't think I've seen this one from Citrus Twist kits yet. So it's got some different shapes, some arrows and tabs and half circles, a little speech bubble, and this little tab here. Again, the colors are just gorgeous. They say the stuff that dreams are made of, play, let the weekend therapy begin, discover, it's time for fun, bold moves, love, it's a play day, today's story, weekend, best part, and so good. I really like this one. I love the stripes. Okay, so that is the chipboard set. And then puffy hearts. There will never be enough Citrus Twist Kits puffy hearts in my life, ever. Love these. These are much bolder in color than other ones we've gotten in the past. I love that. So they're gonna work really well with this kit, obviously. And then finally, a gold puffy alpha. I have a different gold puffy alpha from quite a while ago from Citrus Twist Kits that I was kind of hoarding, and then I tried to start using because I was like, I really have to use my stuff. But I'm so happy to have a replacement. And this one is actually a bit thinner. So it's got a bit thinner of a font, which I really, really like. But I love all of this size of puffy alphas from Citrus Twist. I get so much use out of them. I have like a whole stack of them from the years that I've been a subscriber and on the DT. So yes, love these. So excited to use them. Very, very excited about this kit, if you can't tell. Okay, so there it is. That is the March Life Crafted kit and stamp set. So I'm gonna clear all this away and show you the stamp add-ons as well. Okay, so I have two of the stamps that are releasing this month. This is the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and then this is the Life Crafted stamp. So let's start with this one. It is called Weekend Life. And you may notice many of the same themes that were in the Life Crafted kit, which I love that they coordinate so well. It makes it really easy to use it because I have trouble sometimes using my stamps. I love stamps. I keep collecting them, but I sometimes have trouble using them. However, I always have a way to use the Citrus Twist Kit stamps because not only do they coordinate with the kit that I get, there is also this gorgeous key on the back that shows you how to put them together to make really cool embellishments. So I appreciate this so much. I'm so glad that they do this on the back of all of their stamp sets. I know I talk about it every month, but seriously, it's my favorite part about the stamp sets is that there is this. So I can just repeat these exact combinations and get really cool designs on my pages. So yeah, okay, so there is a lot here. I'm not going to read it all. I'm just going to point out a few of my favorite things. So here is another kind of downtown scene with shops and a little table with an umbrella and a lamppost. That is very cute. That is very cute. This one says Sundays should come with a pause button. Amen to that. Sweet Saturday morning. I love this little, it's like a little paper pad. You can see the edge is kind of folded up, and you can, here, there are some examples of how you can use that. I love that too. And then just tons and tons of phrases and little icons to mix together to create really cool embellishments and additions to your page. So very cool stamp. This one is called, oh, it's just March 2020 Traveler's Notebook stamp. So let me read what's on here. It says road trip, weekend to-do list. I really needed this, super duper. It's the little moments that make life big, busy doing nothing. It's time to go make stories for Monday. Escapist, good times and crazy friends. Saturdays are for adventure. Sundays are for cuddling. Relax, dream, no plans. Weekend do-over, favorite moment. Let's wander where the Wi-Fi is weak. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so those are the stamp sets. Okay, and here is just another quick look at everything that I got in my March packet from Citrus Twist Kits. Of course, everything will be linked down below, so you can go pick it up for yourself if you aren't already a subscriber. Honestly, I could not say better things about this kit club. It is a longtime favorite of mine, long before I was on the design team. I'm so happy to be working with them. The kits are always gorgeous. I'm never disappointed. I highly recommend subscribing if you are not a subscriber already. Okay, there's my little spiel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all back here soon.